Umureba so murunzi twakutanjera osibire kurunji eshaha zaba ibiri zeciro neshaha y'amakuru gitagacencwire erizoba rwaba urwakashate birabiri na bibiri ebyokwezi okwa mushanju umwaka ogw'2026 Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Sandy Brian orumo rw'obonero nitutwija kusyaho amakuru agutwakurundanira izoberi konkastagaga kuretira umbwijire katkoreke bukuru ebyija bwebembiri
y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda de tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
akusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omagace ncwire kireki abeje babiri ahari Runyinya Primary School mu Rushema baterwe cyombe ko baferaho
ongeshwa cyabiro ntwicheza nkagira sita cyabaho
abinazi bagarukire bakora mu Rwamba mu district ya Kegegwa
abantu ni bafa irigare bafa kufa basyoya umuntu tamanyire cyabita tamanyire cyabatwara
abarukireho kurwanira ubutegetsi abebembezi bebaganisemo umuri ryantonde Emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints
mutia
kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda de tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
akusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Ndongera kutanjera omakuru gitagacencwire Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Sandy Brian orwo bonero nitutwijaga kusyaho izoberi akagwe kagwera bazire hamwe na nabeje ba Runyinya Primary School omuri Kigarama mu district ya Shema bwanyuma yabeje babiri okuterwe cyombe ko cishomero kandi bakaferaho bwanyuma y'umuyaga gw'amani.
Abeja bafana Joseph Musasiza hamwe na Ayesiga Griffon abekibina cyo kubanza kandi aba baterwa amatafaro babana bagezaho kunga kwiruka
yagakwiza kwa mana munonga gwahende biti gwatwara kizimbe ibintu nabyo nabyagenda kimwari yebyo cyapiwana atyo cyagendera kimwe usanga abana babatakarije mu class cyabaterana babiri bwo kufa atondije tukumanya imbere za makwaya zo mu Rwanda
umuyaga basangira icyo cyona cy'amatafari kagwa hansi cyona kandi kamatafari tungamarira abana babiri bafiraho kandi bana nabo bagenda bari kumirwa kandi n'abandi abwe icyabaho n'abashomesa bahunga atwe batatana
mu omukuru w'ishomero nagira ngo hagwe binabina ngo konka abana be cyo kubanza nibo basisikara ahabwo kugira ngo baterwe amatafari ngo kandi wo gutuma urundi rwo kubanza omuyaga kutera ishomereri.
ahandi baba barimo konka kugira ngo yo ebisika tubyago twagenda amabati atobarkamo batafitire aba bafa n'abafitara bafutazwa ebisika by'amateka
amashomeraga irishomero n'ukuru munonga kandi ebizimbe bukuzire n'amadiriza gabyo gona gageshami ekindi kumanya ngumuyaga warabo mu madiriza go nuko kusito konka kasinja kabo ebindo butagwa n'ababire mitekaba minji kanogira ngo emito mu mbuga yabetaho minji yerishomero byone bina musanzwe byona
abebembeza hamwe n'abanyadini bahumuza abazira bashomesa hamwe n'abeji.
yenda ngo kinde cyabaha kibo mwanya nk'ubu twe no kuturo munsi ntwenda ngo umuntu ature ayino businyi konka hariho ebintu by'omuntu a human being atakweberera ebiri kubaho tine authority ningashi amani go kubistoping
ubwo gukora nk'abantu abakusasa bamagaraga abantu cyo twara bamuturjeho abo kubejo n'inkorera government konka cyo bacabiro ntwiceza nkagira sta cyabaho kandi twatanziza hamwe turacurjemo nawo je nk'abantu barunya ntushasha ahabwa abana babera bafa
nonyenda kutwara umuco go kubahumuriza nuko basasiraho ahabwo cyo cyabaho nintekateka ngo utariho umuntu uri kubasa kushabesha rankeje enjira mwose numuzireba yije yagwite twatungo muci kuni yagwaje konka zakagwe n'ahandi yabindi mukabireba TV tumarabirebere so nabaningira ngutwena tushabirane kandi aba bana babo bafa nsaka bashabira ranga base kubagumya
banyuma habo husasa ecyo mushimye kucikiriza owaferwa nango utaferwa mbaso butagambe bwambo birukushana kongani mbashaba mutwe na tugarike hasi abo kubana twakugamba bingi tine kituru kubasa kugenda ubushobozi buryo mikono ya ruhanga
emibiri y'abeja bafa yatwarwa harikabwe here senta ya kana okongera kuceberwa amakuraga gashakwa Michael atwacire
webare Michael atwacire ago n'amakuru go busasi kandi natushasha na nabaziro kucira munonga haba baferwa aberere babo. Reka tugumizemo n'amakuru abaturo ku rugo mu cyare cya Kitende umugombore akabwezo mu district ya Tegegwa nabo bacera umucekango bwa nyuma yo kushanga binazi batahirire kandi bita abatura batahi babo umukazi hamwe na n'umushija obwinazo ubu bwabo bwakanumbwire bwo kwezi kumwe umugombora yakabweza eri mu district ya Tegegwa.
Abitwa n'umutensa Donato w'imyaka 57 hamwe n'umukazi we Charles Beatrice w'imyaka 50 abaturo mu cyaro cya Kitende umugombora yakabweza.
Izandesi mbuzo ngo muze agenda zisiba nayita nabura abantu nagenda mu nzu nasanga ingo izisandaguje nagenda mu gisenge nasanga babishe
kandi cyahingurana no musigaze wahita hano bakamutemura musomba bamuzika ku Kitende urufuruka hoyita ibintu bitungura ine akira batserure umuringo gwo uguraba mukono gwa iguru nikuto yambiguye
okwezo kwira binazi bakatahireke mu mcharo cha buringo bito mukazo no mukumuwe kanso muruwe komire kandi okwezi nukwe kumu mukazo ndijo mcharo cha Kitende akitwa
ndibera likiremba ngafe abatuje ba Kitende LC1 Tegegwa district
tubagezeho bakayita
Tegegwa sub county ndibera likiremba yakusaba government tuyambe tububukumu either etereko lockdown for security tushobora kufunya ubwenkanya kuba tugwawe tufatugwawe ibijambiye bifuse bijambiye
abantu nibaba babyamba mu kiro buza kushesha nko mutuze kuza kuramusa abantu ashanga umuntu bamwisire babatahirire babatemere abandi babanigire na hate ugwa musomba aho bashangiro muka tematema eshaheje na wali yakitande mbera nimbi so tindi kumanya government eri yaro kuya kubasa kuteraho ubujunanizibwa bwo kutulira
rero umuntu boratahire mu nje urundi boraburiya hewe enje sibugi kingire niko manye ngo nambalo hakira kutaha mu ibere safe deni borabutahiremo lenga ucekinge nsonda zona nambalo takurara misiko n'umusadaro roreye nabo kwangu abantu abakutuyita benyine twikara nabo bolita kurugahara mu nugamba naja kukwita kandi nabanza nukumanya kike cyakukwitira cyonka yubutakimanyira
abaturano bajara ngo banyakwitwa babire barya abantu barunji kandi barya abantu bekanisa
Ronald na mukazi we babaire bale babantu bamanu mu kanisa bamanya rohanga kandi mirimo yikanisa ni babikuru kandi umukazi abaire ari mukuru wo mugongo kandi ari mwahozi we kanisa isende zaitu nuwazine izebisembo nezokumbeka
government kuyo kubirene tuyamba ekatire ho potoro ekataho buri kintu cyona kikaruka ngo abantu at least hine defenses batuteraho ezo guma tukadefending ebintebe abantu bafire abantu bakwire eco kora buri omwe no mu nshita
okwezo kuri kutandika abinaze bakatahirire ko mu cyaro cya Muhanji bito mushija no mukazi we kandi ibiro bine bihingwire o mu cyaro cya Kitende baherize kuziko musigazo yisurwe umuringo gutarukwetegerezwa
umuruko gumpa buri omwe nafa buri kiro bamazire kwita mukazaha hati wikiteka hwire omushija no mukazi bamwita twino bwobo buri kumarayo obubi bw'amani munongo
nikigambo ngo abinaze nebeshere ko munju bategereza abantu kugwejejera na bwanyuma babatemagura babita amakoraga gashakwa Philip Marangira
webare Philip Murangira kandi ibikorwa byo bwinazi nkebyo bitubijumira twagumizamu bakuru b'entebe zo kubanza baziro rukiko urwa district ya Ryantonde urubire rugenderero kuhangusya za town council abana betombwitwa ngo bashanziremo okushorora nangwa na no kwiyendeza
Orwali akavuyo nebgambo bya Kalebule nibyo tushangire bijumikire district council hall ya Ryantonde bwanyuma ya meya chairman na bakansara bingi kuziro rukiko ngurwaburamo bulinganisa
very sorry nayo boy byalo gamba mfuzwe na wangalie kutesa
nali mpeba office na wewe abakozi ba government era nyina ba physical planner aba technical team nene ne physical planner wange owekibuga Lyantonde tagwebebwa mu kisago nagona kwogerako eri ekibuga wekisaliza so awo nenda banga mutufu bye neyongerayo mba mu banga
okurugira abebembezi hariho empanura zo kuhangusya town council ngo bagifisya rurengo rwa municipality konkenteka ya political wing teri kujwana ne ya civil service abwengenderwaho za map ezibine
ekibalwanyisa nti waliwo boundaries ezakolebwa kati boundaries ezo bwezakolebwa kati baatuula mu council yawe yegombolola ndoza banoonya olutalo lwa byanfuna by the way olutalo lwa byanfuna kubanga kati balaba nti etawuni egaziwa kati bagamba nti atenda n'abaliwo tebamanyi na Lyantonde bwe yatandika naye kati bo bakansala mulimu kale ng'akakulu ka Lyantonde kali so byanfuna byendaba
obundi butikirizana buli ahansharo za Lyantonde ruro na Lyantonde urban
ekisooka fe simanyi sente zaffe zetubadde tuteeka mu bitundu ebyo baagala okusalamu nze mbadde nsayiningirayo sente eza abatuuze bange aba PDM kati tugenda zibanjayo tutya kubanga tuwajja kugendayo kubanja sente ezo ng'ate abantu bajja kugamba tuli mu lulo sente ezo zigenda kubbibwa Kasambya nga primary ne secondary tubadde town council giteekamu sente entebe toilets n'ebirala biki
chairman ayina kyayogeddeko nkyabulabe nnyo okwetunulira nga town council kubanga ru kubanga wetutawa town council man ebyo ebyatumisa municipality because of our boundaries ntono nnyo ne population nga tekola ki
kubanga nze siraba kintu kiyinza kunyiiza nga meeya wange ayogera wamba nga nzisamu meeya ekitiibwa kubanga oli ali wansi wa meeya abadde ali mukola ki mu kwogera bw'aba abadde ayogera n'owulirayo ensonga yandibadde awanika omukono nga meeya amaze okukola ki ne tumuwa akazinda tulina oluusi olufulumya omuntu mu lukiiko n'asooka agendako abbali ne tutwala olukiiko lwaffe mu ki meeya abadde akyateesa ate banaye olukiiko nze mbadde ndaba tuteeseza nga tutambula naye enkiiko ey'abantu abamu ereme tulemesa
Town Council nekorwa series 5 kandi erimu abantu abari kweshumba omutwaro gumwe 98 ndi Sunday William TV West
webale Sunday William twazo mu ruhoyuma umuhandiki mukuru mu ministry y'ebyamagara Dr. Diana Atwine aragire bakuru babakoze mu marwaro n'ingashaba human resource officers okutandika kwaya amazina gabashaho abintu kushashurwa okurigera hamirundi eyibaro kuba bakoze mu marwaro
Omurukiko rw'okushijima emikoro n'embere y'amarwaro muri Bunyoro umuhandiki mukuru mu kitongore cy'ebyamagara Dr. Diana Atwine agizire ngo kushashura abo bona barikwa bine bakorira amarwaro ga gavumenti cyorekeriro kumara abashaho abari kusiba amarwaro gabo bakebwo kora obujunanizibwa bwabo marwaro ga gavumenti
tugamba nti abakozi bekikwata ko mu districts aba human resource oba mu malwaliro gapegana amanene aba human resource tetusaanidde kubanga tusasula abakozi nga tetutunulidde enkola yaabwe tutandika okutaginga enkola n'okusasulwa kubanga bwe tutunulira enkola oluusi tusanga abamu tebakola abala tusanze emirimu gyabwe egisinga bagitadde mu private sector.
Our region has been challenged by the power cuts. In the recent past, we've been experiencing a downtime of averagely 3 to 4 hours daily power. And it is upon that background that we hope that a dedicated power line will solve our issues. Because when power is off, the network is interrupted and services actually get staff get stuck.
Dr. Diana aragiye ngo batandike kujora uniform z'emirimo yabo kitari cyo nibija kufubirwa.
It is illegal. It is unacceptable a government worker to come to work and not in uniform. It is unacceptable even if you are a cashier, even if you are a records person. Hospitals, facilities, you must find a way of getting specific, simple uniforms for everyone to be identified at work with their names on it.
For the last many years, Bunyoro sub-region has been posting the worst indicators during our joint review mission. And this has been consistent, which means there is a problem here. It cannot be that it is a coincidence, there is a problem.
Ebirjiro mu kushijima amarwaro ge cyanga cya Bunyoro bushobozi bwa Roho Regional Referral Hospital kandi cyangirwa ngo amarwaro mingi gino kuteganisibwa.
Laboratory and pharmacy critically below approved establishment everywhere. No standby power for labs or blood storage in either general hospitals. Blood transfusion systems are weak in the district of Bulisa, and no OPs, no cold chain.
A high refugee community with issues of teenage pregnancy, as you know, but we can do something about family planning. Why would a 19-year-old be having the fourth season? 19-year-old having the fourth season. So those are some of the real issues that really touched us at Changwali. Let me just tell you briefly what happened at Panyadol. Panyadol Health Center 4 is also a high refugee community, as we know, in Chiriandongo. The beauty for them is that they have embraced digitalization.
Dr. Diana Atwine na jang government kubombekera amarwaro tshirukuza kumara baba batina mana habakozi.
Ngeko kubuwereza nga tutunulira omukozi. Tusobola okuzimba ebizimbe, tutaddewo ebizimbe, tuguze ebyuma, tukoze naye omukozi bwe tutatunuulira ku mukozi ebintu ebikwatagana n'omukozi then tetujja kufuna buweereza bwe twetaaga.
Amakuru agashako Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto murebi witu wa TV Stumurunji twenda kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na no kutorana kureba TV West turiyo makuru agacencwire konka katubanze tumure ukacen tugarukana makuru gandi
ugese nubukukibwaho
at Advanced International University.
Amazina ndi Engineer Madari Peter, Principal w'itendekero ya Vocational Training Institute. Technical eje yo kureba n'ekintu kiri kwezo mugisha bwo muntu mukena wo kutandikira hansi akashoma ukebye mukono abo kuba ni levels zitakusera munonga akashoma akatandikira nka cyamushanju cyo kureberaho kanye nkatandikira cyamushanju nashoma mperize cyamushanju nazo mu technical school Chezimbire nashoma iba kweta junior technical certificate. Can you imagine? Najeza nashoma craft certificate kahaya nashoma advanced craft certificate nashoma diploma then nashoma na diploma ndijo yo bushomesa iba kweta DT nashoma degree yanje yo kubanza ya civil engineering nashoma postgraduate mu construction management ndiyo nikora masters in fact ndiyo ni marira aha iba kweta construction management civil engineering. So oreba ngo technical neherezo muntu omugisha bwo kushoma ari kutandikira hansi akagumana upgrading kandi ashoma arukora hati nkanye fizi yanje bakaherera kujisha shurira omwako gwa 9 na mukaga ndiyo muyatu omu junior technical certificate kurwo gutenda garukire kubasha bafizi obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Anjurire Ankole Crazy Limited abara kumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigo nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuze bwena babwine nka Zedvent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mbwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena Ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangare kabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga Ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates, and Higher Education Access Certificates, and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics, and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences, and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships, and Fairway Scholarships.
Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumwe na wearing ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Nawe pensiyo na nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ngende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City ahiba rukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kande cyo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent na Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazgwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karunji gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent na Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent na Fresh Up nushanga mu brush ya meno eyabusha gushanje umaduka gona mu ihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent na Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Kampani zitwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara gacayina
yaba tundatine
nogamba ki uriyo fronto kogumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara hero banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho abo kutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta bahezi recruitment expert barari ya Amazon building mwije mbatware
tutware
bito nyiri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu ahera bambara nsangwa Amazon building note musanzwina note emwe note office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubo wa opposite na Quality supermarket esomu note musanzu ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga note musanzwina note emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
ukashati wagendo
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara kunkobya amashemera nogwa mutindo rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje
ukuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rosfo rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruko
nahatinye chakare nebire byombisho rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje
rosfo insi yebiroto birungi.
kare kurukayo okumbuto mwabo abashubuzi twagumizamu na namakuru agacencuire agiciwe kacitisha kabiri aba Bravo Beverages Limited bayigita ahabandi okushajike imbaga ya Radio West ya buri mwaka eyesebwe ekinihiro huto bunuzi obwe barukubashajikana n'ente enteji yahebwayo Abraham Shemererwa director wa Bravo V Company Limited erukore cyo kunywa nkashemererwa energy drink omusheshe alcoholic kombucha hamwe na Happiness kandi yaje kwasaba abakozi ba Radio West aho mu Rembo urwambara
aba Bravo Beverages Limited bakwatara Radio West barukujihente uko bagira bazi aba basima Radio West habwo buhereza bwo mutindo hamwe no kutungura ibyanga kwerabero mu programs z'urukwegesa abantu
ecyo muturi mutegereze ecyo rwa mukaga cyahika 2005 ekinihiro ntwenda kubeta mwena muri Kazarama muri Kazarama twabeshengereza yeta mutahi wawe nawe yeto ndijo mwena mwije kandi nyewe ninkira kugira ngo umwenda bere ngende aha ground nyine ngo munyafuganye nashango tari umukiniro kunyafuri kubuze waba kwe
ndasiye mubyo mwono tuhirente banywani ba Radio West mwena banywani bona bigana katonye zibiro dose mampuri abatuhirente abatuhire miceri abatuhire bitoce mwebara imwihire ruhangara hareba ntabwo mukaga rwa hatiya tweno twaza kaceka nushaka kwatubwira okurya no kwabusha okunywa no kwabusha because Pepsi tire muri sente wajategereza Shan Logistics Limited batire muri sente so Shan Logistics batire muri sente Diura Motors batire muri sente Nyakajo Sako batajire na kwatubwire
ibyo bikiriyaho harukubara y'ibiro bishatu byonka kwika hakinihiro hutovnuzi abahagize ba Radio West bacakiro kufa kwabura omukasi cike kinihiro aharamiza Bibu Garden zo muri baharwaho mu Rembo rwambara abeshongoza babire bebembirwa ba Kekos Band nubo bebembire mu kucamura abantu ebireri impiguza ndabeho ubu barukugotomere byo kunywa bitari bya muringo gumwe barukuzana hamwe no kucakara akasichaka kabire kahagirwa bamiza Bibu Gardens erukushango mu ruharwe aho mu Rembo rwambara omwakogu Radio West nejaguze myaka 2007 yasiyombuhereza kandi kinhiro cyo mwakogu cesurwe hutovnuzi nikija kubaha izo bari rwa kagore berabera na bitano byo kwezi kwa mshanje mwakogu omuchayika cheka kandi okutaha munishirinjo mutwaro gumwe gonka abwa TV West in the era atiza na Maclean Ampire
kare webare mwabanyamakuru bitu ecenhiro hutobunuzi narwa mukaguru hatsitabura yebiro bibiri urwa kana na norwa katana izo birwo rwa mukaga umucayi kaceka twena tuzomumbaga yo mwake ya Radio West kujaguza emyaka 2007 kandi kutahamu shirinjo mutwaro gumwe gonka twagumuzamo namakuru omuhuro yo kurataraniyo curriculum omashomero erizoba nitera tocho mu ishomero ryabishiki erya Kizuba Girls Secondary School erukushangwa mu district ya Bushenyi ayishomereri abegene begitira hamwe umukushoma amashomo gebyemikono na nikigendererwa ecyo kwenda kwitandikira kw'emirumo bitu kutarukushoma emirumo
abantu bakora ibyo kurya bitari mwe na mwe ubwo barukwerwa bashomesa babo kandi ibyo nane bigendera nshomensia ministry y'ibyo bwegese yatandikireho omashomera hanse ya karicira mwensia.
When we are making cakes, we measure the ingredients we are using. The ingredients we use wheat flour that has gluten as a protein. To conserve margarine, we also use sugar. We use eggs, as you can see. We use baking powder.
You keep checking until they rise and
you can know it's not your queen cakes and they are ready.
Abejaba bakahura muranga gwa president gwa value addition bitora amanyirengo ebijuma bya avocado byino mugasho.
So this avocado seed powder na yoga kanojiteka nongere waweza kujanika wanoteka kemboga sawa nazo zitamu ino mugasho micho mu bito ba vitamin C which helps in body immunity, the glowing of the skin, which our skin this avocado seed powder is very nice and nutritious for elders.
Imwe bari kuri amapapari mukabura kuri obujuma bwago abakizo bagaozi babinira katare
kandi jesano no basa kuchiteko mu karwa ukwateka ngo chiteko mu then mu bwitu no ma the process it kweta digestion atokayesa kubya the constipation arabo kushanga kushasa so this pumpkin seed powder is very helpful in digestion. I want to never even the bito mu biri it can also help in proper working ijambo cyangwa cy'ibarace kandi ubumeko magara babije kandi kuziha nashoro kwa hero ukore ibintu bingiye byakwasa kunyamba nyongo mu nduguza nyamwe sente nana swindi nyingi ngura kitaka ngura ketinte cyakubasa kunyamba nshemeza abantu bona ngura ngabazire banje bashomise mbashemeza mbene ubuzima ati ekindi kusima nisima omuzire wanje wandetse romishemere binzike
ngo kwiwe oherera ryari kuriye bishusha bituno mangu byine sano kandi wagitomiza gari kosya no kozo burono gara mahari
ndegesa ariko bro bishusha no basa kujite ko mbogaza wabana uteka abo kuba ene mu vitamins ene mu dietary fiber ekubasa kuhelpinga kuyamba mu digestion inga umukwe kuja kuitereza mali ati waba uneko ulcers na bino kanojia project ko mbogaza
and these samosas are not only just for eating. I can make them and also sell them to the people to also test my product and also appreciate it. And then I also thank the administration of Chaizoba Girls for giving us the opportunity to learn for technology. We have a deep fryer here. We thank them so much.
Imwe batachine minogo kurye nyama ninge imwe batarukunde nyamegumirere bombaza abana babishiki bagureta.
So the cocoa powder to basa kuchikoresa ku softening nyama. First of all it has in enzymes is kubasa ku softening nyama. Waiza kuteka nyama to basa kubanza kujiteko this cocoa powder to membrane then take some other spices so basa kukoresa then ojikavara for some time atwajikavara for some time no kushanga enyama ya Yoruba kandi ubwiro bwanoza kumara kuteka bwashengere.
We are gaining entrepreneurial skills because these ones can be sold to get income. You're there, for example, you're stranded, but then you have a skill of baking. You just start up your small bakery and then you're selling things. In the end, you have a bigger bakery.
Mukuru w'ishema rya Kizoba Girls SS Dr. Catherine Wagira na Jaun Bendo mweji wabo mwishi agumashora y'ishema kubasa kwetandikira business.
Itwata ya classroom kandi wakati connectinga the outside world to making sure ngo mwana ayaza kumara kosa hasi ya phone ngasi ya 6 na bayi nevari just twatumitiremo ispakenana inkiza yitu yedini kandi wakati making sure ngo mwana yagenda ine emyoga kwasa kumuyamba akabasa kwebisaho yarga
tinkomweji wa nutrition and food technology bamba batwegese byo muconnector abase kukoze songwire go misho afa tuburi omwe harashikena za kufuna umurimo emirimo yari ijana necendera atuno ine kubo ine cyo yogiro obundo kayo ko revenue ke yawe ati nkitwe tukora ka baking yeast kukarya hito antikosa yeast ukora ka pizza ukora ka banzi ukora donuts zona nozikora obona kuziguza
abati bari kutebekana so mwana wo mu kikwetanishira imirimo konka kurekana bagaruka batebekana so mushiki ukwashemeye kutwariza mu family ye obwire kuburahike
abati cyabutwine hati no bato kandi bantureba in future kurango ko mwana wo mu cyo ubutwine hatiya na wasa succeedinga today in academics kunkana nyinshi kare caring about their families ezibakuza kutandika kwenda kumanyangu omushogo hata yako nkanyanja kare no kushanga ari muzira so ntibegesa ubwo kwasa kutekera different categories of people umwana muto umuntu mukuru no kureberera abarwiri so umuriyege nayo tubyeta food and nutrition.
Amakuru agasha kwa Michael atwakire.
Webare Michael atwakire twagumiza mu namakuru obucuika 22 aharigana ubwo abana babishi no bacirwa mu mashomero batakamazire kushoma ahabwo kuteganisibwa baba baryo mecho
okumanyomba rogwabishi abarokora rwo mu mashomero ahabwo kutino kushwara baba baryo mu nshonga z'emicwe byagambwe rizoba ubwo amashomero okurwa mu district yambara gabana gachira reusable sanitary pads okurwa mu kitongore cya International Cranes Foundation kandi amashomero aga gabagar mu Kashanda Modern Primary School, Itara Primary School, Ruburara Primary School, Rwibare Primary School hamwe na Kahoma Primary School.
Kuba noreba drop rates noreba ngo abinje of course nabishi katujja ni binjo mu dropping rates zoka na country wide abishi konkabire challenges nyingi tihire mu na nejo administration periods esikubateganisa of course umwana ko kushanga attitude ningashi entekateka ye ahakintu akora kuzo mu period ka padi kamwe nikagura 10,000 ekiri kumanyisa bisha bari kuzamu nk'ebiro nkabina nibani benda nko bupadizi bushatu ezo nikenda buri kwezi konko mwana witu wo mu cyaro orukurugo mu ketine ntasa ezo 10,000 nazi hankahe
okurigira har bamwe bakuru b'amashomero bashobora ko bwire bwinji abana babishiki baba baryo mbere byabo by'emicwe nibabatine byo kukozesa ekero kubaretero kwetina hamwe no kushwara kirugiramo okora kubi ombitabo
mwe kumbe ninganiya nabo banyango umuntu w'umukoyi baza under minstro bapadinga umwana katabasa kumuzara baho ngyasha yakarutinitinga namba kunkata bari very free abana nibazo mu discussion nabandi bazara bashari namba muri bahura barujuri nabatahi babo
abana ko bakosha namnonga nkite service yiti ya primary bayoshango bayisha baryo muco okushomesa kugumuzamo haza kiretero umwana yamisinge bindu kubishoma deni kimuretero gukora kuba mu karasi kiza kukamuherwe tamu n'ingamuherwe umwaka kuza kurwa mu kibina kuzo mu kindi na munongo shanga abana bice bakora kubi
abamwe nibeyanga bosha babura kushuma ushanga bojo kandi babebembe abandi babasana kugana mu ishomero ahubwo kubashayi kugira batahi babo no bareba batine byo kukozesa konka abana bakaka batungire byo kukozesa no bashomaje bafiringa school kandi ba concentratinga mu kushoma kwabo
babeji bishomero rya Rwibare Primary School erukushango mu Rubaya Sub County nao bayoreko buzubu obarkurabamo omubwiro obwo.
One is absenteeism. Most of the girls have been fearing to sit in class to learn with others because they feel uncomfortable during their menstruation. Second is embarrassment. Most of the girls have been experiencing embarrassment, and this has been especially those who have got into their periods for the first time. First of all, she said, be active, practice physical exercises. These exercises help in the shedding of blood. Besides, she said, drink warm water, which helps in the shedding of corrupted blood that leads to pain.
Or community engagement manager which tongorecha International Cranes Foundation yashobora kuba ryo bataho buryo bwo kurinda ibyo bhangwa bakwatanise n'abantu
padizi zino buzare nebyo buhangwa bwo kuba batwire bakozese obo bari kugura bakakozesa umurundi gumwe bakabonaga kuba ari kubonago bubuvera nubasa kumara emyaka 10 butakajunzira gaza omwitaka bwalishisha babinago mu mizi nichira kubirebo mu mizi bikutambura abantu bagataha banyobwo burofu konkezi turonu tubahereza ni reusable ninga shipadi eyo rukozesa okozo kabiko kagumori kozesa okakozesa utari kunaga
okwabeje reusable sanitary pads kigenderiro kuma no kutaho buryo bwo kureba ngo mwana wo mushiki yabasa kuguma mu ishomero amakuru agasha kwa Nelson ahimbisibwe
webare Nelson ahimbisubwe twaza kugaruka tumure ukace tugaruka tukusema amakuru agandi.
Chakabozi multivitamin drink chitasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amana masyo mubashije hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo migasho kwata Kabozi multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress echo kunywa Chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited chamibwa UNBS kandi churuhombe pimo bya milliliters magana 120 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanyibira kukiraho 002 15 0
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetebe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omweje rukwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwo rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga technology kumwonje no mugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugirobwira ishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukira hotera no tumushanje 8 mukaga nshanje ni 3 nshanje ni 5 ashatu na 4
tandika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohurema twenge aha mumiro nichikurwa kurwo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo echi nichikurwa ba chituzi farm company limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma bya mutindo chituzi drink echirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tere simu noti mushaje 8 mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushaje 8 mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda
ahubwo kushaba kwa ba members binji kandi no kwenda kubaho mugisha gukweta mu mukazano ko kubika na Ruhira Millennium Sacco akazanaka katandikire kandi nikazakwa omukwezi kwa kabiri 2027 obu turagabira abasinguzi ebihembo byabo yego okutaho mukazanaka no kubika emitwaro 52 nugaruka higuru kandi okatunga kakonji okutunga obukonji bwinji nichongera micha yawe yo kwangura ebihembo nyamwinji obwe harimo pichi embuzi tankazamizi t-shirts hamwe n'ibindi bihembo rwiguga abarasingure pichi bajaji boxer n'abarabike emitwaro 50 no garuka higuru kandi abaratwara embuzi bwoya nabo abarabike emitwaro 20 ogaruka higuru okumara emyezi mushanju zayitaji ryona erya Ruhira Millennium Sacco otandikireho kubika tera not 2 anana mukaga 25 ninga not mushanju 8 chinana na 8 15 nkaga na mwenda kumanye biri kukiraho Ruhira Millennium Sacco banka yanje banka yawe.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Netukwajulira Mbarara Institute of Health Health Sciences and Management ishomero ryonka eri cyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri eri in medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurunji nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanye birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri kaga nemo Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yakwera utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni. Wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinyode ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Alo.
Ese bomwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala abisenge bimeka.
Ngabisatu.
Ebeyi agigambye.
Abangambye satano.
Deda sebeno zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti danji je tusigisa ya mulembe. Ati nefali y'ekitundu yalinya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling. Tukosa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete kwa mugisha ngo ishe watu yahewa Esther wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemero bagonka MTN momo eberewo mbeni nyegasta igana kaga ni 5 sta manana 0 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo mugisha zagwije wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga
Feathers sanitary pads
hamwe na ABC Feathers sanitary pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinje bwinji n'amanu go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinje izoba lyona nechiro
quality pads affordable price.
Pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinje. Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Mommy.
Yes.
At school everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Ndabye mbaga ya
ku highway ngamvuga sisumagire Joshua honey mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m, Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m, Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m, and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m, Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, Channel 134 on GoTV.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo n'amakuru agacencuire agiciwe ka citu cyahamuheru okucondoza okozurwe abeshitongore cha St Francis Family Counselors omo a district y'Isingiro nukoreka ngo bwangambanyenka na munongo mu bashija konjire munonga obutabanguko maka omo district y'Isingiro.
Bigambirwa bw'aba St Francis Family Counselors babire ne bamaririza phase yo kubanza okurwanisa obutabanguko mu maka emazire myezi eshatu mugombo ritano mu district y'Isingiro.
Tweze kuri kucondozo twashanga kw'ubuzima ebintu bikaba bitarije umbyare bitugire muninga sho mu maka gututayire umaka gutubaze kusitama n'abashwerine ahubwo nsitama n'abantu babiri mushije n'umukazi kumarebero 20 tumwicumiterezaho tureba kuba atandikire turebe cyabaretere batandika ubushwere tureba yabo ubushwere n'ubwitegereza kandi ubushwere bwo kurugamweka bwenu washanga ngo ubushwere turabwitegereze je apointe yo kubanza iwabuganire mutahi wabo nkimayisa muneke iwaza kutekaho ibasa kugera mu ensovu
abira hatari mu kwatanisa hagati y'abashija n'abakazi. Group says when bakora bashobesa kapozi dokuzayo mushija wenka ningo mukazi wenka nditeka kugenda umushija n'umukazi mwena mukazi w'umushomo bwenu kubagiremo baganira abantu bashashanuka abantu bashemererwa bagamba emberezi batwirene barabamo
okucondoza kwaba shangirwa ngo abana banagijirwe munonga kandi ekintu tukorwa na munonga abashija abarukurekerera bakaza obujunanizibwa
bashwerine bataretegerezine batakumanya ubushwere nenki kandi ubushwere niyo foundation yeka abana bo batuntuzwa munonga nabo bihayo banywa ubutwa bw'abazire babo umuhondano nabo bacho babagira umurayife ndijo abatandika bahondano
kandi eshonge ndijo nabwo birero no kugira ngo abashije abinji twakweshumbira mu myuga yo korora abana umumaka ubujunanizibwa bw'amaka ubujunanizibwa bwo korora abana ubujunanizibwa bw'imirimo y'ahaka abashija bingi bakaburekera abakazi babireba nk'eby'abakazi emirimo mukazi yahendeka yakore yo kwinga yakore yo gukora emirimo y'amaka n'uwaryo mu bana n'uwaryo mu buri kimwe abashija bingi babireba nk'eby'abakazi
urwebembere shonga z'abana bwa district y'Isingiro nagira ngo emishomegeresire mpindahinduka mu district ni yemwe
andi abantu bona bagire umishomo memba wa group ubira ryo mushomo kari kuza gukora icyenda kutana nibe bashomesibwe hata ba members ba group ninga abataka ba holding that person responsible bajya kokashi odi wo wagira umushomo gwa St Francis mazime ibintu byo gukora
gashakwa Ruth Wamanya
webale Ruth Wamanya twagomuzamu government ya Uganda okulabira o ministry eyebyo bwegese nemizano no bariyo bombeka ebina na n'oburaro bw'abeji ahari Lach High School omurubujaga omu district ya Rwampara.
Lach High Senior Secondary School n'ishomero eryatandikirweho ekanisa ya Uganda bitwanyuma rikijarika hwirwaho government kubungumwe ko konja kutungura yo bwegese abahati amani bagongere ombombeka bariyo nibombeka eberasi ebikwika mukaga kubungumwe ko konja kwera bejengo nyensi abongere okushitama n'okushomaje.
This is the number every day, and also never had a provision of the shed, the veranda. So which also said let's have it in, and also never had a provision of toilets and washrooms. So at the extreme end, we said we can also have toilets there, so that when students are this side of the class, they don't have to return to dormitories to kill themselves or whatever.
Burumzira kuletaho umwana we nana inagwa ki exam. Burumzira kuletaho umwana we nana inazo ndetse
okumanya ebinebindi nyomwebazyo abishkwase na munonga barukora ibyo bwegeze omurinkole na Rwampara district bino barambara ebyo birukorwa ayibarahize na board ensi
wagendaje kurungi abamembaza abasya barahera kandi bahiga kubaza gukoraje imirimo yabo nambwenu ekikuru ikindi kushaba no kugira ngo kukwishomero kutamuzwa no kugenda no kugira ngo byomwe yamanya umuga gwine gukora kandi akagukoraje kaba board members bakakora umwuga gwabo headmaster akakora umwuga gweye abashomesa bakakora umwuga gwabo kandi nabeje bakakora umwuga gwabo nyina masiku mingi kandi ko kamya ngo ishomero gitegara cha iskuru bujaga za kugenda umisho ukurakorane yongere kutebekana
Bodensia ehindire kutahintebekanza yo kwija okureba nko kubaje kuzimya kama 50 kwihabatandika okereza ihanga cyayikombe kwatirine nibyo wegese nkishemero ya Lach High School omjenyi mukuru batekateka kuva mukuru wihanga Yoweri Kaguta mu 7 tebahaburwa abo TV West ni Senyomo Gideon Omurampara
webale Senyomo Gideon aba Rotary Club ya Kanungu nabo batandikire huru eyo kurinda ibyo bahangwa na okubika mizi nangwana no kurwana sibura ryago ababebembirwe governor wabo Daniel Mukasadamura umukutambuze hureji
omukushikirize hureji ababagira Bishops Primary School kandi ko babyireye miti nkaguma miringo yo kurinda ibyo bahangwa kandi batongwize no kunduza tanka za mizi
who have listened enough, there are cultures which build in clubs. One of them is visiting and getting knowledge from other clubs. You can create a culture, you club with a child, that club never visits. You build is that club never gives.
Twa projects twatandikiraho icyo kubanza in our 7 areas of focus nitwenda kubyara emiti kubyara emiti no kukuma ningasho kurinda ebyo buhangwa environment making sure Kanungu yagumeri evergreen.
Mukuru wa Bishops Primary School asimira ba Rotary Club abo kwakwatiraho.
So as we plant this tree, may it go to give you
ya hayo echetengo cyo kuhunduza tank eyi Rotary Club kabare ayombekire omu Bishops Primary School ejo tanka ekombekwa 2016 konka obwahati nerebeka kubi ekakura kandi cya kabiri kekibasa kubika amizi gari kugasha agaragasira ishomero.
Amakuru agashakwa Hweza Wilfred.
Webare Hweza Wilfred amakuru agacencuire abwo ngo twabasa kuseho abwecireki kandi abanaga kuseho Elias Ritugusa hamwe na mutahi wanje Sande Brian no rumo rwo bonero itwe twendeze kurara kuronje.
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na
use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumano okozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumen kahumuraje izoba rion. ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karonji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina.
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
oyine mbogoka ndaba mu rugi ayibambe ne korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Program okumbereba embogo nchocho kunywa chonka echiroho hati sofa government echetirire mu stamp mu muchimwe tari byo kuzanazana muchinywe akachipani siringi 10 kino kwera kukore abakwaneza kutereza omunda arendo arezi kwanza enda kudevelopinga abakwa enda yawe by the way endo ari nyingi okuranka za kansa byone endo ari nyingi zibanza omunda abogumampa ebintu bingi haza ebintu bingi ebyo bukaturamo so omurimo gwembogo no kubiyamo ikabitereza tari birugire birugaruka kukwata akachipani siringi 10 mbere izoba nizagamba akintu cha trips zabana b'amashomero hatkamba gambe none ndamagambire erigenda abantu bazara abana bake umuntu nazara abana bana batanu mbwino umwana w'umuntu kuzandira umuntu kuzara abana babiri wanyetegereza iwishomero okakwata abana banje mbere nindeba nka basi eje ebambe tungira accident 107 omubasi ntona simukama ona saba polisi imwe ejo basi karga Kampala ekakapochwa mtaka jitemberemo you would have stopped manyari hangaryo negitu wanyetegereza we must get involved obashomesa umushomero marama bashomesa imwe bashomesa tumuru baziri warebo bwana no butaho mbasi otoyango umushomesa ombana abana bazamo abashomesa mbo involved bakaba bishomero mbo involved abazina ngo amwe bakanga abana bamwe babihayo then polisi ona wate mbombasi to stock or jendo to semtoni chireje urokurusara wana basa sinokwane twara bananka abantu nkaga hati nkaka abana baramuiga na mushanju itwe tukaba tutamburira harore rore truck konka apart from chitabi niyo incident yabireho itwizwa twena and niyo yabireho incident emwe kandi nabwe ekabandi konka we usually not have those accident in case of atom buses tari tukatugenda tolabula nanka ni kwato umuliro nabishi bari yahiguro mu truck nijuka Masaka secondary kutabire tuzakutemba kazo haka sozi kamana hatikipanda hotinkara kontade urize hata kasozi to kubasa kura kukati ngo tatiro number 1 hatu drive kama mweta juko ati juka kitandika yemera kutamuji abana kujuka motoka ofashi nayo juka motoka we kule bajirekedde ruvansi gotuzara emyaka egyo tumukubanyarufu abana ori aliyo nafani mwe motoka gitembe abana oriomba muvure motoka gireke ofachi gotuzara gwe tufofirwachi gwe toina abana bo now tikwetaga kwiho trips noreba hari abantu bakora out of emotion minister all of a sudden trip zona nazemereza nozemereza ki abantu bashashwire konka ebintu biteko mu nkora wahura ni nko umuntu kuyakurya ebihimba abana bakarya ebihimba bisisikire biri mu mbazo kajya ngo okuhinga ebihimba kubona nakwemereza abantu bakanyako obuhuga bushobero kajya obuhunga twabinga ishoma. You don't need to stop trips. No way. Trips have been there, can't zorwa. Konka abantu babinvolved the police umurongo gwa polisi amahanda no kwemereza because basi yaba netwara abana ishimiro kwandika ikigambo private kandi ikigambo private ncha attracting police kwemereza numuza hintuza police ikatemba umoto are the children safe wanetegereza. Yes, now it was very unfortunate ejo na accident konka noreba ngo na base keta hurire kagena nefa nabo cyo twena to be involved accident tukwenda tushare mishango yanakira bukanoreba headmaster kana akunda abana be kamba gambere. That's why akatambura nabo mbasi bambe director kana akunda abana be yatambura nabo bagendana ba mwishongorra nakora ki yafa nabana be. But otherwise accident is accident. Tureke kushara abantu emishango manya chichichi accident bana mujinyo tinda to mirente fili nkajita ata uno shara mushanga kora mushango nente Dr. Techezo akajitomera yajita hata nanye najishango efili najitomera najita mushina nyakanta fili unapoya kubireba iwe nobireba
okumbireba yaba ni ku kibuga